Just a quick video on converting this light socket with a power plug and switch into just a power plug and switch for a cable, for an LED strip, power supply, whatever. So we just remove this part where the light bulb goes. Maybe we can use it somewhere else, I don't know. For now we remove it, and as you can see there's a hole, and that's where we'll put the cable through. Just take this apart. Yeah, I have to be careful because I cut my finger. Oops, yeah. So I want the cable coming through here, connecting to the switch. Yeah, that's holding up all right. So to the switch, and we just take this off. We don't need this. We'll solder one of the wires directed to this, like that. Oh, oops, sorry about that. Whoa, clumsy me. Let's connect it there. Yeah, the worst solder job I ever seen. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Don't do what I did. Do as I say, not as I do. Yeah, that's the right phrase. So some more solder. Solder this one on the switch's leg, and we're done here. Maybe add some hot glue to the thing, or just electrical tape to seal the hole, and yeah, we're done. And just put this one here, this here, like that. And wait a minute, what happened here? Oh yeah, okay, it's okay. I just have to put in the screw. Like that. And yeah, use the tape. I'll just leave it hanging right like that, maybe. I'll use tape, yeah. I'll use some. Why not? It's free. I mean, really cheap. And it's green! Oh boy! It matches the... almost matches the stupid green color here. Nah, it doesn't really, but who cares? Yeah. Cut it. And we have a sealed switch power plug thing. So here's the LED strip already ready to go. I mean, to be transported. And let's plug in the... Come on, does it focus anywhere? Yeah, let's plug it in. Oh boy, like that. It's plugged in, and let's turn it on. Perfect. Turn it off. On, off. So it worked. Yay!